Before I start my video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, then click on this bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Lay down the shirt onto a flat surface and then I'll remove pocket with the help of seam ripper. I'll keep this pocket aside and will use later for the dress. I'll fold the shirt in half. Make sure there are no wrinkles inside and it's equal from the sides. Now I'll take my daughter's t-shirt and keep it on top of this to take the reference for cutting. I'll leave 1 inch margin and then I will cut. I'll cut sleeves with the dress itself. I'll take front panel and cut the neckline little bit deeper from the back side. Front and back panel are ready. Now I'll sew them together. First of all, for sewing, I'll sew from the sides and from the top. After sewing, I'll turn it outside and it looks like this. Now I'll sew the neckline. For neckline, I'll fold half an inch fabric towards inside and I'll make a stitch line on this. I'll sew neckline for both front and back panel. After sewing, the neckline is looking like this. Now I'll take elastic of width half an inch and that elastic I'll sew it towards inside to make little gathers. Now I'll stitch half an inch hemline for arm opening. With the hemline I'll also stitch elastic to make gathers. After stitching, it is looking like this. I'll stitch the pocket now. I'll make this pocket little smaller and then I'll stitch. But before stitching the collar, I'll make a bow and that bow I'll stitch with the pocket to the dress. To make a bow, I'll take leftover fabric of the shirt and I'll cut it in rectangular shape. Now I'll stitch it on the edges, leaving little opening on the center of one side. Now I'll turn it inside out from that little opening which I have left while stitching. Now I'll take another strip. I'll use this to make the bow. To make the bow, I'll fold it from both the sides and I'll use this like this. And then I'll stitch it from here. I'll discard extra fabric. Now I'll stitch this bow onto the pocket with the help of needle and thread. After stitching bow, I can stitch the pocket to the dress and then the dress is ready.
Hello.
Thanks for watching the video.